Very good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss about the subject of basic civil and mechanical engineering, the topic of automobile engineering. The first unit syllabus we are already discussed the mechanical engineering contribution to the welfare of society and specialized sub-discipline in mechanical engineering, a production engineering. Right now we are going to discuss automobile engineering and energy engineering. If the time is available, we will discuss the interdisciplinary concept of mechanical engineering. So automobile engineering. What do you mean by automobile engineering? So automobile is a self-propelled vehicle generally driven by internal combustion engine and is to be used for transportation of passenger goods on ground. History of automobile. Actually, automobile started with the innovation of wheel. It is one of the major milestone of human after finding out the fire. It is the first automobile built by the Captain Nicholas Cocknut in 1869 through steam generator. It is a speed of 2.5 miles per hour. It is one of the most innovative and most innovation of first vehicle, self-propelled vehicle. It's called IC engine. It's developed by Benz Motor in Germany in 1885. In 1897, the Foster from the Crompton Groves brought first motorcar in India. In 1991, Jamshedji Tata was the first Indian-owned motorcar. The classification of automobile. The classification of automobile is classified purpose, fuel used, capacity, construction, drive, number of wheels, and then body. Main component of automobile. The engine. It is the heart of the automobile. It is a source of power. The frame and chassis. It is support the engine, wheels, body, braking system, and steering system. All the components are supported by the frame only. The transmission. It is transfer the power from engine to rear wheel. It is consists engine, clutch, transmission, shaft, axle is the rear axle, and the differential unit. Body and control. It is a control system and then accessories including light, air conditioning system, heater, stereo and wiper, etc. It is an exploded view of automobile. Look at the exploded view of automobile. Cylinder cut and then gasket, engine black, and then cylinder gasket, head gasket, and then engine black, oil pan gasket, and then crankcase is another name is oil pan. Inside is the exhaust and then intake manifold. Another term is given. It is the valve arrangement mechanism. Next we discuss about recent development of automobile. Natural gas vehicle is recently developed. Natural gas vehicle in India also is a more contributed nature vehicle. Why we are going to the nature vehicle means reduce the emission of the vehicles. Driverless car. Already Google developed and successfully run in Japan and United Kingdom and America. India is we are not have sufficient amount of super infrastructure. It is so avoid and develop good infrastructure. It is possible to derive driverless cars in India. Bulletproof car. It is generally used for the political leaders and many VIPs. Anti-lock braking system. It is recently developed. Indian government are imposed in a company. You must inbuild ABS system all the vehicle after production of the in the year of 2017. With the ABS, it is the perfect control vehicle while driving. And then electronic stability control, like nowadays in minimum price car, it's around 8 to 9 lakhs. The electronic stability inbuilt, monitor inbuilt. It should be monitored the contact between the road and tire at a high speed, wet surface. It is perfect control, ensure the vehicle stability. It is one of the developed recycled car. It is a car, all the common recycle, the component is made by the natural rubber. So it is possible to refresh entire component within 5 years. The car is completely recycled car, is developed by the Toyota in Japan. Ultralight car, we can reduce the weight of the car. It is possible to give the most mileage and then stability while traveling the high speed. Automatic transmission, nowadays many car top rated car, all the inbuilt with the automatic transmission. So automatic transmission minimize the or optimize the fuel efficiency as well as better transmission. It should be ensure the better transmission while driving the long drive, city driving the vehicles. Pre-collision technology, it is inbuilt in India, is also but is actually failure. Failure since it is not able to measure the distance properly. As collision technology are successfully running by the Benz BMW car in India, it should be automatically brake applied in the human or when you are moving object arrived in front of the car. And then hydrogen car. Hydrogen car is one of the best alternative because hydrogen is available source is more in the atmosphere. Let us say we discuss about the energy engineering. Energy engineering is a broad field because alternative energy is nowadays slightly growing because of fossil fuel and other engineering was slightly down because the renewal, the usage of resources very high other engineering. That's why the energy engineering developing and growth rate of this field is very high. Different form of energy. It is boldly classified: mechanical, electrical, electromagnetic, chemical and nuclear, sound and thermal energy. This is an example of mechanical energy. Mechanical is nothing but we can work done with the help of force. The electrical energy, electromagnetic radiation. It is all the energy we are having from the sun. It's a chemical energy, all the fuels and then chemical tree, every natural or man-made compound is combined by the chemical energy. And the nuclear energy, we are already studied the nuclear energy in the school days. Nuclear energy is an enormous power source, is available sustainably 100 years. So India should be concentrate nuclear energy with the help of Russian technology. Sound energy, yes, sound energy. Study about sound energy, the rhythmic sound you can hear nice musical instrument. All the musical instrument comes under the sound energy. Thermal energy, thermal is nothing but the heat energy. Sources of energy is a main topic: solar, wind, tidal, geothermal, biomass, ocean thermal, hydel power, nuclear, and then energy from the fossil fuel. There is a solar energy we are getting from the sunlight through PV cell is photovoltaic cell. It should be used for the various purpose of the home. Wind energy. Okay, wind energy should be converted kinetic energy of wind to electrical energy. Tidal energy. The tidal energy is generally used by the ocean with the help of wave. By using the wave, we can generate the. Can be used for the river bed also. Ozone thermal energy. Look at the diagram. It has the two evaporative section and the condenser section. Evaporative section is placed at top side. Condenser section is placed at minimum 1000 meters downside of the sheet. That place the temperature around 5 degrees Celsius. It has 25 degrees. The temperature variation. We can use the temperature variance to generate the electrical power. And the geothermal engineering. Geothermal engineering is nothing but we can use some heat energy from the surface of the earth. It can be used to electrical power. Hydel. Next unit, it have hydel power plant. So at the time we can detailedly discuss how to develop hydroelectric power plant for electricity. Energy from the fossil fuel. So it is a fossil fuel. We can use it cooking, car fuel, and then electricity. It is possible to produce energy from the fossil fuel. And then we discuss about is the time is available, so we can continue our learning the interdisciplinary concept of in mechanical engineering. First we discuss about the mechatronics. It is combined by mechanical, computer science and electrical and communication engineering. Recently developed in the field, so it gives a huge job opportunity for the all the department. Computer integrated manufacturing system. It is a recent developed mechanical. It have the component CSC inbuilt with by program. Electrical and electronics engineering. They are developed by circuit of the manufacturing. Robotics. It is also mechanical. It designed the mechanical component CSC and EC. Combined with the write the program and also develop with the printer circuit board. Instrumentation engineering. It is mechanical and EEE and ECE engineering. Aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineering is combined by mechanical, aeronautical and astronautical. What do you mean difference is aeronautical means the flight. We can study aerodynamic characteristics at the ground level. Astronautical means we can study the same aeroplane at the space. That's called astronautical. Thank you for listening. Today we are definitely learn a lot of information from the automobile engineering, energy engineering, and also we are discussing about interdisciplinary concept of mechanical engineering. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt, kindly ask me through Google Classroom as well as in my personal. Thank you listening.